Starting five brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Jensan with a backcourt of Hesed Gabo and Kyle Tolentino up front, Chris Porter, Marvin Dionisio, and Antonio Sebio. Para naman sa Binyan, Pamuy Raimundo, Carlo Lastimosa, Mark Pingris, Warren Bonifacio, and making his regular season debut, Nick Caballero. Our referees for this ball game are Benjo Estroga, Jensan, their first possession, Chris Porter. Hands it off to Hesed Gabo, lines up the three, it's good! Nice sign for Jensan as Gabo hitting his shots early. But what a Cinderella run in the playoffs for them. They were the 6th seed, lower seed against Rizal, swept them. And then that grueling 3-game series against Batangas City as Kyle Tolentino hitting a free, pangalawang tres na yan para sa Jensan.
You mentioned earlier, maaring talagang napakalaki ng kanilang na-pick up dun sa series na yan against the Quezon Huskers. They were in a really tough path.
Gabo thought about it, gets it back from Chris Porter. Popping out was Antonio Sebio, who had a strong preseason. He knocks down a three.
In transition, both these teams have been. Ito, they run into those staggers and this little shuffle play. That's got to be a shot there for Hesed. Yeah.
Gabo, pangalawang tres na yan for Hesed. Was their biggest performer in the playoffs. Jackson Corpus hindi nakasama. Pero yun nga no, yung bagong lineup nila. As speaking of bagong lineup, kakapasok lang off the bench, Michael Mabulak.
What the defense gives them, which makes them, in my opinion, very unpredictable. Little flex action here for Binyan.
Mabulak at the elbow, going right at Chris Porter. Count the basket plus a foul. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Naiwanang libre si Hesed Gabo, who now has 9 points. Jensan continues to pile on to their advantage. Binyan, bit struggling here. Roa Corva with 3 on the shot clock. Mabulak will hit a jumper from 20 feet. Goes up strong. Got foiled by GP Paundo. Back the other way, Mark Cruz.
Boy, look at that space. Look at that space.
Melo Santos hits a three.
In Antonio Sebio. Yadi Santos, sanay niyan sa mga ganyan. Good shot inside and good move by Pido.
Lumusot si JJ Pido. Fontanilla rising up for free short.
Kita mo yun, yung quick release para kay Josh Fontanilla. That was deliberate.
Nice pass, JJ Pido. Setting up Ato Barba for 2.
The very few times, maybe one of them here, that the ball gets stuck with one player.
Oh man, Tolentino. For the Warriors. Corva settles for a free and he nails it, cutting the lead down to 8, 36-28. Gabo snakes his way to the paint.
Oh man.
Extra step, fails to finish. Bam Lopez in transition against Chris Porter. Bounce pass to Renzo Sobido, who fills the lane and scores. Now it's with Gabo. Porter up top. Hanap ng papasahan. Hands it off to Dionisio. You see how Porter has been providing those moon-crushing picks, freeing up his teammates, Coach Mike. Adi Santos, wala. Put back attempt. Can't slam it home was Antonio Sebio. Back the other way, Binyan, a chance to counter. Lopez, shot fake, drives baseline. Lumusot sa ilalim to go for the reverse.
Wow, what a move. That really looked all ball. At least from our vantage point. See this move right here, difficult underneath. Ginawa ng paraan.
Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Amps on Quezon City.
Yeah. At saka ano, ang magandang, well, I'm gonna try and watch their game later. I'm pretty interested on the adjustments made by Coach Jerson Cabiltes. Obviously a different system. See a 3 right here by Bam Lopez. The guy is smoking hot this quarter.
Can Jensan extend the lead to close out the half? Gabo has been marvelous in the first half and that continues. Tough shot.
Oh boy, that got up off our seats.
Raimundo, naiwanang libre sa tres, and he makes them pay.
And one man even say, Ken, na Anim na turnovers ang na-force ng Binyan dito sa Jensen, but Binyan was never able to take advantage of it. See another good finish right there by Santos. Getting in the lane, we've seen that a lot of times. See this beautiful pass right here of that finish by Santos.
Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Very rarely have you seen Nika Bañero score on the right side on that downhill action because
Deflected by Mark Pingris. Pitching it ahead. Lastimosa. No. Pingris, the rebound. Kicks it out to Gimpayan. Taps it to Pamboy Raimundo.
you gotta move that ball.
7 seconds on their shot clock. Oh, Acorva, corner three. Yes! Big shot to pull them to within one. 49-48.
And if he gets to develop that skill and that make, Kenny once again open floor.
Pagkaataw na lumabang. Mark Pingris lays it up and in! Binyan in the lead, 50-49. Mark Cruz wants a screen from Adi Santos, splitting two defenders. Kick out pass, Fontanilla. Pull-up jumper is pure. Pingris sa poste na agawan. Gabo. Pulling up from 15 feet.
Yeah.
Lista mo na. Gabo with 13 points, 6 boards, and 7 assists.
Oh man.
Malyari with a beautiful looking pull-up jumper. Junicio at the elbow against J. Gimpayan. Hand off to Eusebio. Porter takes the three
There you
and
go.
makes it. Second triple.
Could have just stood there outside, but you know, he knows he's got to secure a rebound.
Under 6 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Gabo. Lob inside. Eusebio will pop it in. Lastimosa. Bola na agaw.
Watch
Look out. Gabo. Behind the back. Eusebio.
Oh.
You can't do that.
Defense of Pamboy Raimundo right there. He gave Hesed Gabo a chase. And then at the back, there was Kenny Rococurva. We saw that in preseason, but it ended differently. I think pangalawa na yung love pass.
5-point lead for Jensen. Cabanyero.
Good
Swing
swing.
pass, Bonifacio. Shot fake by Coacurva. Soars and scores over Chris Porter. Fontanilla. Pasa kay Gabo.
Oh, man.
Strolling down the park. Laying it up and in against Marwin Junicio.
There's a mismatch underneath. Didn't go to it.
Cabanyero with 7 on the shot clock. Off the dribble. Beating Chris Porter to the spot. Getting past him for 2 points.
But
Gabo. Against Coacurva.
this game has slowed down to the favor of Binyan.
No look pass, Porter, catch and shoot.
Yeah.
Mid-range jumper, matik yan. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Tolentino with a big triple to push the lead up to 4, 68-64.
In that situation.
Tolentino lost it. Chance for Binyan to inch closer. Lastimosa goes up strong for 2. 37 seconds left. That series clinching shot he had when he was with Pangasinan against his former team, Nueva Ecija.
Oh no, Chris Porter. Oh,
Big free
my.
to give them a 4-point lead, 71-67.
You see how Hesed Gabo went down there, able to draw that secondary defender. Mike has to rush back to Chris Porter, and we talked about him knocking down shots on the perimeter, and we talked about also him being very... We'll see how this goes.
Binyan needs a basket here. Mabulak gets it. Hand off to Coacurva. Getting past Chris Porter. Great defense by Tolentino. No foul. 4 seconds left and Jensen will escape with a victory on the road. What a gritty win for the Warriors after Binyan made their comeback here in the second half.